Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful new construction spec home here to show you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It has 1,672 square feet on the air. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and as you can see, a very nice double car garage. Okay, check out this nice paver driveway. And since I'm talking about the driveway, let me tell you that this driveway has actually an extended part over here. And the reason why it's extended is because the home is in a busy road and they tend to do this, okay? So if you see, check out the new front of this home. If you're familiar with this floor plan from previous years, you could see that there have been some changes to it and it really looks very nice, okay? This 2024 upgrade that they've done to the front of this floor plan, it makes it look very nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and do like I always do in my videos. I'm gonna do a walk around the home and then we'll move in. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about the price of this home, and I'm gonna give you an idea because actually there's a whole bunch of them being built in different locations. So the price of this home, they're under 400,000 at the time I'm doing this video. Okay, so and the price varies on the location. There's actually building 2 right now. I think they're going to come out in August. They're going to be completed by August, and those 2 they have water and sewer, so that makes it more expensive. And also they're building a couple of them in well and septic. So if you would like to know the specific price of it and the address and the location where they're being built right now, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. As you can see, this home it's on well and septic. Here's the filtration system, and over here you got your AC. You got the main, that's where you shut off the water for the home. This home, it's very nice. Now we're gonna go ahead inside and take a look at the layout, but I guarantee you guys are gonna like it. I remember the price of this home, like I said before, is under 400,000. So let us know if you would like to know more information where they are located, the one that's being built, and I'll give you the exact price. Okay, let's go ahead and inside and take a look at it. So you see, when you come in, you have this beautiful plank floor tiles all throughout except in the bedrooms. Okay, now let me turn over here to show you bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. It's in front of the house with a double window, nice and bright. You can see the carpet, and check out the closet. Okay, now we're gonna move on, and let me stop over here and show you this towel closet over here. Very convenient. And then this is the guest bathroom. You have a nice bathtub, and you got a backsplash all the way almost to the ceiling with tile. And here's your nice vanity. This is bedroom number 2. It has only 1 window, and it's kind of the same size as the other one. And over here on this wall you have your hookup on the floor there. You can see that the antenna, if you would like to put a TV there. And over here is your closet. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're gonna make a turn here, and let me show you that's the kitchen and the living room. But first we're gonna stop here and show you the AC and the laundry room. Okay, here's the AC system. It's in a nice location in the middle of the house, so it really balances out the AC through the house. And over here you got your laundry room with your washer and dryer. One of the good things about this builder is that it brings the washer and dryer and all the appliances and all the curtains except in the slider. Okay, here's the double car garage. Your hurricane shutters. And here's your water heater. One more look, and as you can see, you also have the garage door open. Okay, now we're moving into the kitchen and the living room. Check out the kitchen. Nice big size with a nice island, and this is the living room. Nice spacious living room with your plank tiles all throughout here. It's very nice. Check it out. And I like these windows that are very big and brings a lot of brightness inside this area here. Check out the space. Now let's take a closer look at the kitchen. You have this beautiful island here with your stainless steel sink and your quartz countertops. Check out your stove with your microwave, your refrigerator, and what a lot of people like is this beautiful pantry here. If you like going to Costco or Sam's Club, you could really buy a lot and store it in your pantry here. Now let's take a look at the island here. You have a nice view of your living room and your dining room. Check it out from this angle. You can actually see here the dishwasher. Now let's take a closer look at the dining room. As you can see, it's very bright. Through those sliders, you see you have your lanai out there with pavers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, it has a very big size room with a nice double window. All carpet. Now let's take a look at the closet. It's a pretty nice closet here. Now we're walking into the master bathroom, and you have your toilet closet here with your nice door for privacy. And here you have your double sink with quartz top. Here you have your shower with a nice tile backsplash. And over here you get an extra closet. Take another look at the shower with the vanity. Well, tell me what you think about this home. Please give me your comments below. And remember that this builder is offering a lot of incentives, and has a lot of other floor plans that are ready to move in, and they're ready to get them sold. So if you like, if you're planning to move here and you need and you're looking for a new home, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to help you out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to see more videos like this, at the end of the video I will put a playlist that you could actually see more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.